Hello, my name is John. Um, mm, um, Me and my friend find a bird. His name is Kesna. That bird, he got a sign. I don't know who that bird is for. And if somebody can contact me at 2403-370-983-979. In the name of Jesus, please, somebody can help me find this partner, please. Please call me at 240-730-985-578. Thank you. And my friend want to talk to you guys.
Fellow people of America, and we found this lost and found bird. His mother died when we found him today, and he's just a baby. So, and we were walking around through the park, and then we seen him. He has an injured. His two wings are injured, so we can't release him now. We put two band-aids on him.
And there is a bandage here. Yeah, you got, and the other one there. And that's what we can say. And this thing is, I don't think that thing is a crab. It's not a crab. It's just a bread that we put in the water for him to eat because he's still little. He cannot eat all the stuff.
We wanted to keep him, but we don't know how to. So plus he's a Montgomery County public bird, so we can't keep him. And so we tried to contact the animal shelter, but we don't have a phone, so we're recording on the video camera. So
this bird is gonna die.
I know.
It's gonna die. Trust me.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna die. Don't.
Thank you for listening to us.